Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Rockstar Launcher not opening on Windows 11. First, uninstall OneDrive. This may sound unrelated, but OneDrive can create file path conflicts that stop the launcher from starting. Search for OneDrive in the Windows search, right-click on it, and select Uninstall. After that, restart your PC. Next, reinstall the Rockstar Games Launcher. First, uninstall both Rockstar Games Launcher and Rockstar Games Social Club. Once removed, open your browser and download the latest version from the official Rockstar website. Install it fresh to avoid any corrupted files. Now, make sure no Rockstar processes are running in the background. Right-click on the taskbar and open Task Manager. In the list, look for anything related to Rockstar. Right-click each one and click End Task. This ensures there are no stuck processes blocking the launcher. Finally, check your antivirus or firewall. Sometimes, security software blocks the launcher from opening. Open your antivirus settings and add the Rockstar Games folder as an exclusion. This tells your system to trust the launcher and not block it. After completing all these steps, try opening the launcher again. It should now work normally. Thanks for watching.